Hello everyone, let's start with the installation and download process of GeoServer and JDK. So what is GeoServer? GeoServer is basically an open source platform by which you can publish and style your shapefiles, the data from the geo databases and so on. So if you want to download GeoServer at your site, you just need to write here the download GeoServer. This link will open. This is the official site. When you came into this site, you will see two options, in which one is under maintenance and one is stable. So you need to go for the stable version. When you click onto the stable version, here you can see there is an option of platform independent body. You need to download it at your site. In my case, I have already downloaded it, and then you need to download Java 17. For the downloading of Java 17, you need to write in the Google that you want to download the version of 17 of Java. Then this is the official site, and I will also share the links of both of them and in the description. Okay, so next there are multiple options. If you can download it according to your system. If you have Linux, then you need to download the installer according to the Linux, but in my case I have downloaded this. And what I need to do next, this is the JDK version what I have downloaded. Now I need to copy it, and then in C drive I need to make a new folder with the name of Java, and I need to paste it inside it, the JDK 17 virtual machine, and then I need to, this is the GeoServer which I have downloaded from their official site, and then in C drive I need to make a new folder with the name of GeoServer. And then I need to paste the GeoServer here. Okay, so what I next to do, I need to go into the my system advanced settings, and for that I need to type the settings here, and then I need to search according to the advanced system settings, and from there I go into the environment variables. Then I need to set two new variables here, one with the Java home, where I need to set the path of the bin folder of our downloaded Java, which we have placed in C drive, Java home, and then we need to give the path of Java bin file. For the path, we need to right click on the bin folder, and then we need to go into the properties and copy, and we need to copy this path, and then we need to copy it here. This will set our variable of Java, and then we need to make a new path with the new variable with the name of the GeoServer home. Then we need to go into the GeoServer and need to access the bin folder. We need to right click into the bin folder, and then we need to copy the path of the bin folder from here and need to paste into the variable setting. Now what we need to do, we need to go into the GeoServer bin folder again and need to start over startup batch file. Whenever you want to run GeoServer at your system, then you need to run the startup file before, and it will start the GeoServer in your system. We need to wait for a few minutes, and then we can run GeoServer in your default Google. It will ask you for some permissions. You need to allow for the permissions. Okay, when the loading of different configuration files will complete, and then you can go and write here localhost colon and 8080, and then you need to enter. It will open the GeoServer at your site. Now if you want to see what is GeoServer, so basically GeoServer basically publishes data from any major spatial data source using open standard. It can be the geo databases, even the MySQL, SQL server, PostgreSQL, and from the package files, or even from the shape files of your system.